Nongialam Jong ka All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee hinin ka sngi kala Kular ba ka seng jongka kan sa penbet ya ki jeng ya kaja kaput ki bala sa teng laslem lada ka seng ka wan hakabor house nem arjar arpulai haba kerpat igi pat ba banjit ya ka seng TMC ka menteri rang ba jong ka jela West Bengal kala pensyai ba ka jing temu jong ka seng kamdei ban yo ya ka bor ban sensyar ya ka jela Meghalaya na Kolkata hinrei ka dei ban pentikna ba ki pat ka jela kinyo ban sumar hi ya ka halor ka jing pentrai kam ya ka ILP ha ka jela ka Banerjee kala Kular ba ansa thaw ya ka expert committee ka bansale ya barok ki jingnan kam lada ka seng kala banchna sarkar ha ka jela.
You see, this is a very sensitive issue. After the government is formed, then our state government will set up experts committee and they will take a decision because it is a very, very sensitive issue since long. Nobody is taking care and BJP has taken it very lightly and also NPP. But we are taking it very seriously. So they will, if the government, our government is there, then they will take up the issue and they will set up a experts committee and they will take the necessary action.
Arngut ki nong thau an barem na ka seng NPP